Amazon Prime Day.
Miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 70s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, diminishing to 5 to 10 miles an hour after midnight. And now the extended forecast. Friday, sunny, hot with highs in the upper 90s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Heat index values up to 105. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 70s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday, sunny, hot with highs around 101. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Heat index values up to 106. Saturday night, mostly clear.